Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the launch of Xolo. Yes guys, Xolo has come up with two affordable price range phones, and this one I'm holding is the Xolo Era 5X, and there is one more model which has been released, Xolo Era 4X. 4X will be available from today itself online, but they have not revealed the price of a Xolo Era 5X. But yes, I am dead sure about it that it must be somewhere around 6 to 8,000 rupees, and in this price range it is packed with a lot of features and specifications. In this video we'll see a very quick look of the Xolo Era 5X. So this is how the Era 5X looks like. You will really like the look of it and the feel of it because it is so comfortable to hold in the hand, and as for an affordable, simple, power packed specs handset is concerned, this is a good one in the market. So let's just talk about firstly the design of the phone. It is very sleek, slim design, very lightweight to hold also, and it fits in properly in your hand. Talking about the display, it is a 5.7-inch display, HD plus IPS display. The back is a polycarbonate body. It's a very smooth, not exactly matte nor exactly very shimmery, but somewhere nice and smooth to hold. So as we were talking about the display, it has a 2.5D curved glass as well, and the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Touch response is perfectly okay. As you can see, I'm shooting in bright sunlight outdoors, and the brightness is quiet enough to make the icons very much readable in bright sunlight as well. So let's just run through the settings quickly and see what exactly this phone has to offer. Going in about phone, the model is known as Era 5X. It is just being launched in one particular variant, which is 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM. It has a Helio P22 quad-core 2 GHz processor, and Android 8.1 version, Star OS 5.0. Let's just quickly go through the camera, which I really liked because I tried some sample pictures here, and it is a 13 plus 13 combination. So 13 megapixel at the front and 13 megapixel at back, and not to forget about that one, it has a flash on both sides, which is a really good thing, and I really like that flash feature, especially in the front camera. So you get all the necessary modes: video, photo, studio. It has AI studio, so this phone has an AI based camera, and you can also do video calling. As you can see, it does not have a dual camera at the back, but you can still click some portrait shots with it. The AI is not just basic AI. AI is in the HDR as well, and so you get all these settings which you can do. Coming to the front camera, so in the front camera also it has AI. As you can see, I am standing like totally opposite to the light, although a lot of my facial features are also being captured. And not to forget about this mode, AI studio mode. It has a lot of settings to play in: control light, stage light. So all these good features in a very affordable price range is really nice. I tried few shots, so these are some of the shots which I tried. These are all outdoor pictures, quite nice and clear, and especially it is not oversaturating or over processing any of the pictures. And yes, I am going to show you one of the favorite picture which I clicked was this one. This was in the studio lighting, and I'm really loving it, the way it came out. This was the first selfie which I took from Era 5X, and wow. And normal selfies are also good. So this is when it's direct sunlight. This is a little outdoor only, but in the not in direct sunlight. So as you can see, the skin tone is really looking nice and fresh. So overall, this is a really nice phone, and you can surely look up to. I'm waiting for the price to come up, and I'm expecting it to be and of course it is less than 10,000 rupees. I'm damn sure about that, but if it is around 7,000, it will surely kill the market. So friends, this was a very quick look of the all new Xolo Era 5X. The price is not yet totally revealed. I will surely put up the price in the description box as soon as it is actually revealed in the market. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech buy. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.